Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. As you know guys, Ramadan is approaching and everyone wants to freeze samosas and make egg rolls and freeze them. So today I'm going to give you a recipe for samosas. You can make them at home and you can make them a lot at one time, and then you can freeze them for about, you can say, about 2 to 3 months. They're good. After 2 to 3 months they're not going to be as good, or they won't taste good, because you don't want them to stay in freezer for so long time. So today's recipe is for samosas, and you can make as many as you want to. There's no limit quantity, and you can just serve them for iftari and for Ramadan with this great, nice, beautiful setup. So let's see how we're gonna do it. So first thing you need is green onions. I don't use other onions. Green onions are very light. They don't taste very sour and bitter. So I'm cutting them in this way. You can cut them however you want them, but they should be in very small pieces. You want to take off their head part where you can see those strings coming out. You don't want them to use them. Now I'll be chopping them. Not very good at chopping, by the way. I'll chop them a little bit slowly. So here is all of our green onions. Next step is you want to take beef keema or beef minced meat. I use beef here. I like beef samosas, but you can use any meat you like or you want. So wash the beef keema and put them in one big pot and cook it until all the water has dried up. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of black pepper in there. 1 teaspoon of salt, or however salt according to taste. Mix the ingredients together. Our keema is almost about to be cooked, so now I will be adding about 2 teaspoons of garlic. Garlic will take out all the smell from your meat and it will add taste to it. So that's all the things I added, guys. Just black pepper, about 2 tablespoons, and 2 teaspoons of garlic, and salt according to taste. Mix all the ingredients together till the water has dried in your minced meat, and then you can add your green onions and fresh coriander and little bit of mint if you would like. I added mint, but if you want, you don't have to add mint at all. It's all about ingredients at the end. Whatever ingredients you like, you can add them in your samosas, but this is how I make them, so I wanted to share my recipe. See, all the water has dried completely. So now I'll be adding green onions, fresh coriander, and mint leaves at the end, right at the end. And you don't have to cook them for so long. Just mix them up for 1 to 2 minutes, and let's just take them off the stove, and their mixture is ready for samosas. It's to go, and please let it cool down before you stop about to make samosas. So these are the samosa sheets. I'm using TYJ spring roll pastries. These are the best, these are the crispiest, and these are so easy to use and work with. And you can now closely watch the video how I wrap the samosas. So take only one sheet. I have already 1 egg beaten, so I am putting this egg with the brush. So it will stick to it. Egg is used as adhesive. You can also use atta or like wheat as adhesive too. And you can just watch the video how I will wrap my samosas. It's pretty self-explanatory actually. And I just wanted to tell you, this is my first time making samosas. This is my first time I'm making them, so they turned out pretty good. So now as you can see, I almost wrapped it, but you're gonna make a small pocket in between. You will be able to see it how I do it, and then you're gonna put all the paste in there, the material you prepared for samosas. You can put, I'm putting only about like 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon and a half. You can add more if you like. Yay, our samosa is ready. So in this manner, just make all of them. I made a lot of them to freeze them, and I'm about to put them in Ziploc bags. I put at least like 5 to 6 or 7 samosas in one Ziploc bag so I can take them out as many as I want to, and I will freeze them. Now it's time to fry them. Now I will be changing their sides to see if they have turned golden brown or not. You just want to make them golden brown. You don't want them dark brown. They won't look good, trust me. Samosas are turned golden brown. They look so beautiful and yummy and crispier. So guys, this was my recipe. Hope you liked my recipe. Do give me thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions about the ingredients I used in my video, or where to buy them from, or about my setup. Sometimes people do ask me questions about that too, where I got the things from. So just leave me any of your questions in the comment box, and I reply to each and every comment. I try my best. So until then, enjoy the recipe and let me know how it was. Until then, bye bye and Khuda Hafiz.